Sherwin-Williams is the world's leading supplier of seamless floors, which we produce and mount in all colors and patterns. SofTop Comfort is a durable floor that is comfortable to work on, sound dampening, and completely seamless. The floor is produced from 75% plant oil and is therefore both environmentally friendly, sustainable, and without toxic chemistry. Sherwin-Williams has a worldwide network of specially trained and certified flooring contractors. With many years of experience, our experts ensure that your floor is fitted to meet Sherwin-Williams' high standards and our customers' expectations. Before the flooring contractors can start installing the floor, it is important to level and clean the surface, and to make sure there is no dust or other loose material present. After the preparation, they apply a primer to ensure that the finished floor is fixed to the substrate. SofTop Comfort is available in all colors and patterns. Here, the contractors are mixing a custom-designed multicolored floor. The liquid floor is applied onto the horizontal surface, where it evens itself out. The floor is distributed so that it reaches all corners. While the floor is still liquid, they work with a spiked roller to create the pattern and to remove potential air bubbles. The contractors use spiked shoes, so no marks are left in the liquid floor. The final layer is a top coat, which is extremely durable and prevents scratches in the finished floor. It also ensures that the floor is easy to keep clean and hygienic, as the surface is free from seams and joints. Sherwin-Williams has sales sites and partners with locally based floor contractors all over the world. That is how we make sure that your floor is of the same high quality as the day it left our factory. Sherwin-Williams, your trusted resource in asset protection.